Hey everybody, welcome. Well, I haven't done a project on the 1990 Miata in a very long time, and I think it's time to revive this little gem. It's been sitting under the cover in storage for quite some time, and I know it's gonna have a dead battery. It sat for a few months in the sun before I covered it, and so the paint is definitely oxidized. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the cover off, get my jumper pack, start it up and let it run, and clean it up. Stay tuned. Well, I'm somewhat embarrassed to show how dirty this thing is, and it's pretty faded. A lot of you may remember, well, it's oxidized, I should say. It'll definitely come back, there's no question, but it's gonna take some work. The main reason this has just been sitting. Ever since I moved into the new place, I haven't had any time for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm sure there are probably some evidence of mice inside here. Let me see. No, actually, nope, don't see anything. So that's good. Anyway, I'm gonna go, couple little shells right there. Anyway, I'll go ahead and get this thing jump started and get it going. I just hosed this thing off, and this engine runs really good. I mean, the valve, I guess lifter tick isn't too bad right now. This motor seems to come and go. If I leave it sit for a very, very long time, then it does it. If I drive it more frequently, of course, then it's okay. But I just hosed it. I'm gonna go ahead and scrub it down with some soap and rinse it off. And then I'll probably do a little something with this paint. Well, it's been about 20 minutes, and I just kind of roughly buffed out most of this side by hand. And I really should have a machine, but I don't know where mine is at the moment, but you can definitely see a difference. Maybe it's not coming through. Did this versus this. See, this is definitely very oxidized, and the rear bumper. But this side, for doing it by hand, actually it looks a lot better. Same with the front bumper. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the trunk lid. All right, well, there she is. Cleaned up enough for now. It really needs to be machine polished, which I will do one of these days. But I was mentioning the wheels. I think I want to change these wheels, and I'll insert a picture of the old Prelude wheels. So let me know in the comments section what color I should paint them. I don't want to leave them white, and definitely not black, but I'm open to silver, gray, bronze, whatever. I will say the decal, the Mazda decals that I got to put on those wheels are red. So hopefully something that coordinates with red. Anyway, that'll do it for now. There's the Prelude in the garage. I do enjoy that car. I'd really forgotten how fun this car is for an old 1990 with almost no horsepower, and it's not lowered or anything. This car is just a blast to drive, especially on a beautiful day like today with the top down, nice curvy back road. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.
Oh, come on, damn it! Oh, that sounds good.